Breaking developments in Eastern Europe. NATO has just launched one of its largest military drills in recent history, right on Ukraine's border. With hundreds of tanks, thousands of troops, and powerful air support deployed within striking distance of Russia, the geopolitical chessboard is shifting fast. And Moscow, they didn't see it coming. Codenamed Operation Iron Shield, this joint NATO exercise involves over 35,000 troops from 18 member nations, including heavy hitters like the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Poland, and France. The drills are taking place across multiple staging zones in Poland, Romania, and the Baltic states, simulating rapid deployment, territorial defense, and large-scale counter-invasion scenario. The Kremlin has responded with visible concern. Russian officials labeled the exercise a provocative and dangerous escalation, and immediately ordered snap inspections of their own Western military district. President Vladimir Putin held an emergency meeting with top generals, warning that the NATO presence near Russian borders will not go unanswered. Satellite images also confirm the movement of Russian So what's NATO's real message? This isn't just about training, it's a strategic signal to Moscow. We are unified. We are prepared. We will defend every inch of Allied territory. General Thomas Ridley of the US Army in Europe stated, "These drills show our speed, our strength, and most importantly, our unity." Political analysts interpret the war games as While Ukraine is not a NATO member, the country is watching closely and participating indirectly. Ukrainian officials praised the drills, calling them a reassuring gesture of support. President Volodymyr Zelensky stated, "Our fight is the front line of Europe's freedom. NATO's presence on our borders sends a clear message. We are not alone." Experts also point out that these But with every maneuver, tensions rise not just in Europe, but globally. China and Iran have condemned the war games, while some Western citizens worry this show of strength could trigger a broader conflict. Peace advocates are urging restraint, warning of unintended escalation. Meanwhile, NATO insists the drills are defensive in nature. As NATO's war games continue, all eyes are on Eastern Europe. Russia watches, the world watches. In this fragile moment, diplomacy and defense walk a tightrope balance between strength and survival. What happens next could define the future of Europe and the world for generations.